Personally, I think one thing that you need to look for is a lawyer that appears to be committed, that appears to be concerned, that has what I call a game plan, that can kind of explain to you not so much what the ending is going to be, but what to expect out of the process, that seems knowledgeable about the judges, the prosecutors, the system in general. I think the things that you do try that you would want to avoid is a lawyer that would promise you a certain outcome. I can promise you that your DUI is going to get knocked down to a reckless, that can predict the future for you. I tell people that if I could predict the future, I would not be sitting here. I'd have a crystal ball and, have made $1 billion in the stock market. Each case is very different. I think you want a motivated lawyer. I think you want a lawyer that seems to have a good knowledge of the law and can explain to you in lay people's terms what you can expect of the process and what that lawyer is going to attempt to do to either get the charges dropped, negotiate a disposition, or take it to trial. You're kind of in a partnership with your lawyer. There has to be open communication with you and your lawyer. You have to feel like your lawyer is able to communicate things to you and is available for you and can make you understand where you are in this process.
I think the other thing I would add is, and I agree with all of that, is you got to be comfortable with your lawyer. If you're not comfortable with that person and in effect kind of respect and like them a little
Right.
bit, the relationship will fall apart. I often tell people that uh, picking a lawyer is in a sense like picking a spouse. There's going to be ups and downs, that's for sure. And you need to just be comfortable at the outset so you end up comfortable at the end. And again, you can't emphasize enough that I would run from a lawyer that promised me a result that I just want to hear rather than a result that is attainable.